Oh, you've got to be kidding me. I just dropped my ring down our sink because our sink, there was a stopper here and it was getting nasty. We threw it away. I've been waiting for another one. I gelled my hair, had it right here. Oh, crap. Okay. Well, my wife is in the shower. Let's see if we can get this out. Jeez. Oh, if this was a drain that went directly down, like, let me show you. All right, so we gotta somehow, let's take this off and pray it's right in the center down here. Please, 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 please be in here. Oh, please be in here. Oh my gosh. What is that? Something metal. Oh my gosh. So that's just metal. That's rust. So whatever this metal piece was in there with it. But anyway, like you see the bend there, the trap there, and then it goes up and then down. Oh, if this was if this was a different drain, because we have our kitchen sink goes straight down into the floor, I believe. Whew. 3+ years. First time that's happened. Do I tell my wife or do I not? Wow. Guess what?
What?
I pushed the ring down the sink. The upstairs bathroom sink.
Yeah.
I had it laying there doing my hair.
Yeah.
And I knocked it and it went down the sink. Luckily our sink goes like this and then down into the ground, into the floor. And luckily that piece there, you can just thread it out and pull it out, and luckily it was in there.
You're lucky.
I am lucky.